it doesn't want to focus. My 2012 Fit vh1. Yeah. It's all stock as far as since I've had it, pretty much. I didn't get it brand new. I got it last Friday. It's now Tuesday. I got it from my friend for $100, just because he was getting rid of it, and he got a 2013 Dugan 2. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't know why this won't focus. But anyway, start at the top. Stock fit bars with ODI long neck grips. They're nice. You can kind of see long neck. They really weren't too long. They were only like this long about an hour ago. But I just threw them in boiling water and I stretched them as far as they would stretch. And it's pretty long. It's almost the whole like handlebar. Especially on this side. Oh man, my taffy apple. This side's really long. But some really crappy bar ends. I have no idea what they're made out of. They're like, I don't know. They're not rubber, but they're not plastic. They're just soft, I don't know, compound. Taffy apple. Oh my gosh. It's so hard for me to stay focused. Jeez. Stock Fit by Co. Top load stem. Yes, it was red. But it started chipping, so we just pressure washed it and all the paint came off. I think it looks kind of cool. Stock Fit headset. Yeah, it's pretty nice for a stock. Integrated headset. Stock front Fit FAF 2.25 tire. Red wall. Stock. I don't even know what kind of rim that is. But it's stock. I think it's single-walled front rim. I know it's got a double-walled back rim. It might be a double-walled front rim. But the front rim is just completely... The spokes won't tighten. I'll show you. Oh, this is hard to do. You can't really see it, but the rim's bent. Kind of bad. So, eventually I'm going to get probably an Alienation Black Sheep or a PBR front rim. But yeah, see, it's all scratched up too. Fit by Co 2.25. Stock hub. Frame is a stock Fit vh1 2012 frame. Cranks are stock fit, and black cranks. Stock fit pedals, which actually aren't too bad. The little knobbies wore off a little bit though. They're really slick. Yeah. Stock fit bottom bracket. Yep. Poop. It's a stock. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying not to make it too long. But stock Fit by Co seat with rails. I really don't like this seat. I'm getting a new one very soon. Fit by Co. It's a padded seat though, so it's not terrible. It's got brake mounts. I'm getting brakes soon. Also, stock back hub. I don't have a chain right now because it was just wore out and I took a link out on, I don't know, I just messed it up. But yeah, stock back hub. Stock Fit 25-tooth red sprocket. Yep. Back tire is a Fit red wall 2.1 tire. And the same rim as a front rim, except double-walled. And yeah, I will give you guys a hub sound, and I'm going to get new tires soon because it's wearing down. But the Fit FAF tires I highly recommend because they're nice, and I don't know why this camera won't focus. But that's my bike, guys. Thanks for watching.